If you think leg swelling after 60 is normal, these 5 seconds will change your life. I used to believe swelling was just getting older, until one day my legs felt heavy like bricks.
I tried creams, pills, and injections. Nothing lasted more than a week.
Then I realized the real problem wasn't pain, it was collagen breakdown. Collagen is the glue that holds your joints, skin, and muscles together. When it drops, your body starts to sag. Most seniors aren't aging fast. They're simply collagen-starved.
And here's the secret the supplement industry won't tell you. Vegetables rebuild collagen better than most pills.
In this video, I'll reveal 8 vegetables that reduce swelling and restore joint strength. We'll rank them from least to most powerful. And number 2 works while you sleep. Number 8, zucchini. It looks simple, but it's packed with silica. Silica acts like scaffolding inside your tissues. Your body needs it to produce collagen. Zucchini also contains vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis.
But boiling or frying destroys these nutrients, so don't cook it too hard.
Best way? Slice thin, roast at low heat, or eat raw in a salad. Many seniors see reduced swelling within weeks of eating zucchini regularly. Number 7, beetroot. It's the blood flow booster. Beetroot increases nitric oxide, opening blood vessels and improving circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your joints. Avoid overcooking or buying pickled beets. They lose their power.
Eat raw shredded beetroot with citrus or roast lightly.
Number 6, carrots. They are a collagen-building powerhouse. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which becomes vitamin A. Vitamin A activates fibroblast cells that build collagen. But carrots need fat to absorb. Add olive oil or ghee. Eat carrots 3 to 4 times a week to reduce swelling and strengthen legs. Number 5, red cabbage. It's the blood vessel protector. Red cabbage contains anthocyanins that strengthen capillaries. It also has vitamin K, which helps regulate calcium in the blood. Overcooking destroys its benefits. Eat it raw or lightly steamed. Within weeks, bruising reduces and skin becomes stronger. Number 4, Brussels sprouts. They activate repair genes in your body. They contain sulforaphane, which triggers regeneration. Steam lightly or roast at low heat. Avoid over-roasting. Eating them regularly improves leg strength and flexibility. Number 3, spinach. It's rich in magnesium and lutein. Magnesium relaxes muscles, reducing cramps and swelling. Eat raw in salads or smoothies or lightly steamed. Number 2, Romanesco. It detoxifies the liver and boosts collagen. Roast or steam lightly with garlic and turmeric. It can reduce swelling in just 2 weeks. Number 1, parsley. Fresh parsley has more vitamin C than oranges and acts as a natural diuretic. Eat a handful daily raw and watch your legs feel lighter. Which vegetable surprised you most? Comment below and I'll reply with tips.